Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Working right beside the road today. I hope the road noise is not bad. We're not going to wear our lapel mics. See if it doesn't pick the road noise up so bad. Working on a refrigerator. It's a Dometic refrigerator, and we have been here for a couple minutes. It looks like when the refrigerator tries to work on gas, when you hear the gas valve open, but it never tries to ignite, and then the check light comes on. So we're going to see. I noticed somebody has installed a dinosaur board, probably a P711, and it has the external igniter on it. So these old external igniters used to be notorious for going bad, so we may just stick one of those on it real quick and see what happens. But we'll take y'all along here. Like I say, I hope the road noise is not too bad. I'm just going to take his cover. Just going to take his cover off this igniter board. And tell you what, we may just go ahead and grab a board and stick it in and see what happens. Because like I say, these external igniter boards were notorious to go bad. There it is. We don't replace many of these anymore, because I guess these old refrigerators are just not many of them left. This external igniter. Alright, we're going to let Cameron go in there and cut it back on, and we'll just hang out here and listen. If there's no cars driving by when he turns it on, you'll hear the gas valve open. You'll hear it go clunk. Hey, we got ticking action. As soon as we get the air out of the system, I think it'll light. Alright, cut it off and do it again, Cameron. It's trying to ignite. Just got to get the air out. Y'all hear it ticking? All right, again. Sometimes it just takes a while to get the air out. And the burner assembly might be dirty too. Nope, it's trying to light. It's trying. One more time, Cameron, it'll go this time. And we have ignition. Okay, Cam, you can leave it on. Come on out. Cameron's the man. He's like, I bet it's that board right yonder. I'm like, oh, Cameron, I don't know, man. You sure? He said, I think so. I said, well, by golly, we'll try that. Well, you know, the boy's right. I have done learn him something. Ain't I? Mm-hmm. Anyhow, that fixed this little issue. I know this ain't much of a video, but there was no diagnosing. It just this repair was based solely on past experience. It's like I say, those little boards were just notorious to go bad back in the day. Gosh, I used to keep 5 or 6 of those things on the truck.
It's my first time ever seeing one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Most of the boards have them built into the board. You can even get a dinosaur board with it built in. But this kind of an older camper, so it had this. It had the igniter board separate.
Well, that was a short video. Really exciting, I know. But if you found this interesting, go down. Well, even if you didn't find it interesting, just go down, drop a comment, criticism, concerns, hallucinations, whatever you feel like dropping. And if you feel like it, hit the subscribe button and come back for more.
Here's your bonus footage. The furnace was not working either, and the battery did die while we were diagnosing it. We had checked power. We had power coming to the furnace. We had power on one side of the time delay relay, but we didn't have any power coming out of the time delay relay to turn the fan on. So we were getting nothing on this furnace. No fan, no nothing. So the fan has to come on and run first. Then it runs through its checks. It runs through the cell switch and the limit switch, and then it will turn the gas valve on and start trying to ignite. So no fan, no nothing. So we done some checking, and then I think you're going to see what we actually found. So y'all just hang on. All right, that camera battery died at some point. I don't know where, but went and got a board. Classic dinosaur UIBS. We're gonna stick it in there real quick. Our connector is filthy. Cameron's gonna spray that out with some brake cleaner so we can get that old dust out of there. Yep. Because we could go through and do a bunch of tests, see if we can figure out what's wrong, but it takes like 2 seconds to put a board in it and just see what it does. There's a time delay relay on this one, so there'll be a pretty good delay. Or it may still do nothing. So give me my meter. Now that we have a known good board in here, now we will start doing some checks.
No.
So we're getting nothing through our time delay relay. Let's make sure we've got power going to this board first. No, we don't. Let's see here. Got it down. So we're just not getting any power through our time delay relay. Y'all may or may not be able to hear, but we didn't have any power on the time delay relay from the thermostat. So went in and checked the thermostat's bad, and she lit right up. So we got a bad thermostat, not a time delay relay. What was Cameron thinking? I don't know. Boy has moments of genius, and then he has a brain fart. Oh, wait a minute. He's not in charge. I am. I'm the one that had the brain fart. So, what we'll do is we'll put this gentleman new thermostat in. I don't know why we're losing so much power here, but it seems to work. So we're not gonna question it. If it ain't broke, we ain't gonna fix it. So we'll go in there and replace the thermostat, and we'll switch back over to these old boards. If it works, if it does, we'll wrap this thing up. So we'll be right back. This just has a simple 2-wire thermostat in it. You can buy these at your local box store, your Home Depot, Lowe's, or you can get one that says Atwood on it if you need one of these. But that's all we're changing. That's what went bad. We got the thermostat changed. Went in and hooked his old board back up. We're gonna see if it works. Because if it works, it works. Got a fan. Let's see if it ignites. Nothing wrong with this board. It lights. It's all good. So that's really gonna be it for this one. I know Cameron already signed us out once, but we decided to tack this on, and so it was his concerns, and he's all good now, and we're gonna hit the road, and we're gonna go up the road and fix another one. So y'all have a fantastic day.